Good morning, my dear student. Today in our class, we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 13, Symmetry. Symmetry is quite a common term used in day-to-day life. When we see certain things with evenly balanced proportion, we say they are symmetrical. Today in our class, we are going to draw a line of symmetry for the given objects. So let us start.
Symmetry. When we fold a paper in such a way that the picture is divided into two equal halves, then the line which divides into two halves is called a line of symmetry. Here the line divides the star into two halves, so it is the line of symmetry. It is also called the mirror line because if we place the mirror on that line, then one side of the picture will fall exactly on the other side of the picture. Some real life examples of symmetry are Taj Mahal and the butterfly. There is one line of symmetry and there are so many other things also in our daily life which are having one or more line of symmetry. Non-symmetrical figures. This figure is not symmetrical, as if we fold the image from the dotted lines, then it does not divide it into two equal halves. Now let us learn how to make the symmetric figures. First one is by ink blot devils and second one is by inked string pattern. To make an ink blot pattern, take a piece of paper and fold it in half. Put some drops of ink on one side of the paper, then press the halves together. It will make a symmetric pattern with a fold as the line of symmetry. Now, to make an ink string pattern, take a piece of paper and fold it in half. Dip a string in different colors and arrange it on the one side of the paper. Press the two halves together and pull the string. It will make a symmetric ink string pattern with a fold as the line of symmetry. Now let us try to solve the questions of exercise 13.1. First question is, list any four symmetrical objects from your home or school. The four symmetrical objects are blackboard, the tabletop, a pair of scissors, the computer disk. Second question is, for the given figure, which one is the mirror line, L1 or L2? In this figure, L2 is the mirror line of the figure. When given figure is folded about the line L2, the left part exactly covers the right part and vice versa. Question number 3 is, identify the shapes given below and check whether they are symmetric or not, and draw the line of symmetry as well. So we have to draw a line of symmetry for the given shapes. First one, it is a symmetric figure. Second one is also a symmetric. Third one is non-symmetric. Fourth figure is a symmetric. Fifth one is symmetric. And sixth one, it is also symmetric. Question number 4 is, copy the following on a squared paper. A square paper is what you would have used in your arithmetic notebook in earlier classes. Then complete them such that the dotted line is a line of symmetry. To make the dotted line as a line of symmetry, the given figure may be drawn as follows. Question number 5 is, in the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Complete the diagram to make it symmetric. Here we have a figure which is the complete diagram to make it symmetric. Question number 6 is, in the figure, L is the line of symmetry. Draw the image of the triangle and complete the diagram so that it becomes symmetric. So the required triangle may be drawn as follows to make it symmetric. Two lines of symmetry. Some figures have two lines of symmetry. For example, a rectangle. Take a rectangular sheet and fold it horizontally in two equal halves and then again fold it vertically in two equal halves. After opening it, we get two lines of symmetry of the rectangular sheet. There are some more figures with two lines of symmetry. If we take a rectangular piece of paper and double fold it to make two lines of symmetry and cut it in some new shape, then after opening it we will get a new image, that with the two line of symmetry. Multiple lines of symmetry. Take a square sheet of paper and fold it in two halves vertically and again horizontally. Open it and fold it in two equal halves diagonally, then again open it and fold it along another diagonal. When you will open the paper, you will see four imaginary lines, and these lines are the lines of symmetry. Some more images with more than two lines of symmetry are: equilateral triangle will have three lines of symmetry, square will have four lines of symmetry, regular pentagon will have five lines of symmetry, and a regular hexagon will have 6 lines of symmetry. Now let us try to solve the questions of exercise 13.2. First question is, find the number of lines of symmetry for each of the following shapes. First figure has 4 lines of symmetry. Second figure has 4 lines of symmetry, and the third one is also having 4 lines of symmetry. Fourth one has only 1 line of symmetry. Fifth one has 6 lines of symmetry. Sixth one has 6 lines of symmetry, and the seventh one has no line of symmetry. Eighth figure has no line of symmetry, and the ninth one has 3 lines of symmetry. Question number 3 is, complete the following table. Here the shape names are given. We have to draw a rough figure and then to write the number of lines of symmetry. First one is equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Square has 4 lines of symmetry. And a rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. An isosceles triangle has only 1 line of symmetry. And a rhombus has 2 lines of symmetry, and a circle has infinite lines of symmetry. Question number 4 is, can you draw a triangle which has exactly 1 line of symmetry? Yes, we can draw an isosceles triangle which has only 1 line of symmetry. B part is, can you draw a triangle which has exactly 2 lines of symmetry? No, we cannot draw a triangle which has 2 lines of symmetry. Third one, can you draw a triangle which has exactly 3 lines of symmetry? Yes, we can draw an equilateral triangle which has 3 lines of symmetry. Fourth one, can you draw a triangle which has no lines of symmetry? Yes, we can draw a scalene triangle which has no line of symmetry. Question number 7 is, consider the letters of English alphabets A to Z. List among them the letters which have vertical lines of symmetry. So we have the letters A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X and Y, which has vertical line of symmetry. B part is horizontal line of symmetry. So we have the alphabets B, C, D, E, H, I, K, O and X. C part is no lines of symmetry. So we have the alphabets F, G, J, L, N, P, Q, R, S and Z, which does not have any line of symmetry. Reflection and symmetry. The line of symmetry is also called a mirror line because the mirror image of an object is symmetrical to the image. When we see an object in the mirror, then there is no change in the length and the angles of object except one thing, that is the image is opposite to the original image. Some examples of reflection are paper decoration. We can use a rectangular sheet to fold and create some intricate patterns by cutting paper. Second one is kaleidoscope. In kaleidoscope, mirrors are used to create pictures having various lines of symmetry. Two mirror strips forming a V shape are used. The angle between the mirror determines the number of lines of symmetry. Now let us try to solve the questions of exercise 13.3. First question is, find the number of lines of symmetry in each of the following shapes. First one, we have 4 lines of symmetry. In the second figure, we have only one line of symmetry. In the third figure, we have 2 lines of symmetry. In the fourth one, we have 2 lines of symmetry. In the fifth part, we have only one line of symmetry. And in the sixth one, we have 2 lines of symmetry. Question number 3 is, in each figure alongside a letter of the alphabet is shown along with a vertical line. Take the mirror image of the letter in the given line. Find which letters look the same after reflection and which do not. Try for the alphabets O, E, M, N, P, H, L, T, S, V and X. The mirror images of these figures are as follows. Here the alphabets O, M, H, T, V and X have alphabets look the same after reflection, and the alphabet E, N, P, L, S does not look the same after reflection.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope the concepts are clear to you. Try to do the questions in your notebook yourself. See you soon in the next video. Till that time, take care.